ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
And in La Jolla, we are looking at this outside. A lot different than last weekend when we took a check at the sky cam, and you really couldn't even see any of the lights out there in the distance because the fog has taken a break for just a bit. Got some partly cloudy skies right now. That'll clear up tonight, and then tomorrow, another beautiful day across the county. Mostly sunny for everyone, and temperatures a little above average. But we have that high wind watch that I told you about. That goes into effect for inland and mountain communities Tuesday night and lasts all the way until Wednesday night. And in that time, you can see 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts are expected, and in some very, very wind-prone areas, you can see gusts all the way up to 75 miles an hour. Now, I do want to point out, the strongest winds do not coincide with the critically low relative humidity. What does that mean? So the peak of our wind speeds will not be happening in the same time frame when our relative humidity is at its lowest point. So while it will increase our fire danger, it's not as bad as it could have been. Now, when it comes to our fire danger, Wednesday is going to be the brunt of it, going all the way up into the high level. Tuesday and Thursday seeing some moderate to increased conditions as well, but then Thursday night into Friday, those Santa Ana winds will start to weaken. In the meantime, not a ton of activity. You might see some increased speeds in the mountains and maybe a little bit of a peak here Sunday afternoon for some spots here in the lower elevations as well. But again, I'm not really expecting much in the way of wind speeds increasing until we get to late on Tuesday. Temperatures across the region right now in the 60s in the desert, 40s and 50s, mountains, inland, and along the coast. Tomorrow's highs, I told you, they're on the warmer side of average, upper 60s in San Diego. Low 70s in Escondido, 73 out there in Ramona. And then temperatures will start to cool off by the time we get to midweek, around the same time that those Santa Ana winds will pick up. Here's a quick look at your hour by hour for tomorrow. Inland, we'll see a similar warm up Sunday, Monday, and then a cool off Tuesday through the rest of the week. Mountains, you're kind of fluctuating all over the place. Hope you like roller coasters because you're going on a ride when it comes to your temperatures this week. The deserts, you're in the 70s, just about all the way through except on Wednesday.